guys, welcome back to Max World. And today, so I'm doing a slime. I'm making slime. I got 3 glues. So I went with my friends to the store. I got some paints and shaving cream. Let's move these to the side and get this. So, and we got a fork. And we have some sand solution. Okay, so first I'm gonna open all these, pour them in there. Y'all can see it right there. Pour it in. So this is gonna take a while since there's 3 of them. So be right back. Okay, so now I got my second one. Oh, did y'all see how that just came out? Okay, we got that. I told you on my Father's Day one, I told you I'm gonna be in here a lot. Because if I'm gonna make a mess, I have to make it in the restroom. So I'm going to do the third one, and when I'm done, I'll show y'all all the 3 together. So I'm making like a big slime because this is all the 3 glues. Look at that, that's a lot. It's heavy. Okay, so now I am going to do probably shaving cream. You know what? I'm going to do this, but it's a new. This one's teal and this one's a pink. So, but first I might take off the tags. I got my 2 colors done. They're undid. Cute colors. I might put just a little tiny drop of this. Well, that was more of a pour than a drop, but still just a little bit. And maybe just a little bit of this. Okay. Maybe just a little bit. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that, but if y'all can, I think y'all saw a little bit of it. I don't know. But now I'm going to put some shaving cream in it. It's a big old slime. I got a big old container for it, so. Now I got my fork. Like that. I'm going to go like that. So I'm stirring it up. It's mixing the pink, blue, and blue. It's making like a galaxy color. It's pretty. It looks like a unicorn color right now. Earlier it looked like a galaxy color. When I said it looked like a galaxy color. Okay. Okay, I might add a little bit more pink and then a little bit more blue. Make sure that thing don't fall in there. Okay. Okay. So now it's pink, but I don't want it to be pink. I want it to be pink and blue and purple, like a galaxy marble color. My dog's barking if y'all could hear them. Okay. Dog. Okay, so it's like a baby purple / pink blue. Probably like a little dot. It's coming out, dots. A little dot of this. Okay, but I'm just gonna stir one time. Okay, that's more than one. Oh, that looks so pretty, but it's not gonna stay like that forever. You see how that swirl? Let's see how it makes it. I would show y'all, but then it would go on the camera. And I don't want that to happen because it's my phone, not But if I do that, I get no more fun. So now, I put a little bit more shaving cream. If y'all looked at the last video, my brother put a whole towel of shaving cream. That's what I'm doing. I hope y'all voted for me in the last slime video. And if y'all didn't, if y'all voted for him, I made the slime. So I made both of our slimes, honestly. Because he didn't know how to do it. Oh, this is like a lavender color. The more the shaving cream, the bigger it gets. And the more fluffier it gets. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, guys. So it's turning into a baby blue kind of ish color. It's so pretty though. So I don't want to make it purple. I want to make it baby bluish. My arm hurts. Okay, so now on to this. Always tries to get on me. Remember, if y'all don't have, like, it's the same, if y'all stir so many times with the same solution, y'all could use shaving cream, put a whole bunch of it, and it will work. Sorry for the loud noise back there. If y'all hear my mom and dad, they're trying to make me a fan that my grandma gave me, and I don't know, they've been losing a lot of tools in my room, so they're probably falling and everything, but they're okay. Okay, this looks actually pretty cool. Look, watch. That wasn't supposed to happen. Okay. Well, I got that. Two of my cousins, they're very smart. They're both sisters. Two of my cousins, they said if your slime's ever sticky, they're like professional slime makers. If your slime's ever sticky, use lotion. So I'm going to be using lotion. Let's see if my very smart cousins know about this very important slime video. They're probably watching me right now. Something I just learned is put Bath & Body Works. It also makes it scented. So, if y'all get Bath & Body Works lotion, use it because it works. And Lord, if you're watching this, I'll clean up my mess. I know you just cleaned the kitchen, but I'll clean up my mess. Well, it's a baby blue color. It's just like the color I did with the last one. So, that's the end of Max Road. Just wanted to show y'all this big old slime thing. This was only 8 minutes, but it's okay. Bye for now on Max Road.